welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you are new here. Well, as you can see from the title of the video, we're going to be doing a DIY waxing at home of my underarms. Yes, so if you're like an OG to my channel, you already saw like the first video where I was trying to wax when I had just got like my little wax warmer, and it was a struggle because I had to have my sister wax it off. And then you probably saw my wax video where I did like Brazilian wax, but I didn't really get like too in depth of what, you know, anything about it. So I was like, you know what, let me just do a video waxing under my arm. Something is wrong with my camera, like the viewfinder keep flipping around. I don't know why, but whatever. So yeah, so so I want to just kind of get in depth on what I do, why I do it, and stuff like that. And yes, so one thing I do want to say is invest in one of these. This was like $20. This is just a silicone thing. It goes inside. I think it's like one size kind of fit all, not really, but like for most of these wax warmers, this should fit. So I had a problem with like cleaning my wax pot. I don't know how to clean it, like, so it's like old wax that just sits there and it don't look clean, like, so I'm like, all right. And it doesn't come out, like, it's no way for you to really take it out. Even when you heat it up, it doesn't move, like, it just literally sits there. So I was like, okay, let me find a way to do it, because I didn't really want to buy a new wax kit or whatever, like a wax warmer. So I was like, all right, let me try to find a way. So I found this. This was like $20. You know, it fits right inside of there, and you can just use this baby, and when you're done, when it warms up, you just flip it inside out, and then the wax comes like right off of it. So that's a plus, you know what I'm saying? And I feel like it's more sanitary when you can use this, because you can simply just dump it, like take the wax out, leftover wax out if you want, clean this off, and you're good to go. The wax pot, the wax warmer on the other hand, is kind of hard, and then it even got like wax all over the warmer, and I don't know how to get it off, and it's like scraping it, but some of it is just like, it's just not coming off. But whatever, so let's get into it. Okay, so I have some cotton rounds, not cotton rounds, are these rounds? But these are rounds of pads, whatever. I don't know which I call it, but I have some cotton pads, and I'm gonna just use some alcohol just to take off like the excess oils and stuff like that. I did just get out the shower, and I dry brushed before I got in the shower, so I did a little exfoliating. I think it's better to exfoliate before you wax, because you know, when you put the wax on your skin, it's definitely going to take off like the dead skin, and if there's no dead skin there or minimal dead skin there, it's making the process like super easier and less painful as well. That's what I noticed when I was doing like Brazilian wax. When I would exfoliate regularly, it made like the whole process very much like less painful. what is that? Food, like when you using sauce. I'm gonna put this on just because sometimes the wax be all over my yeah, I'm just gonna press this down just so it can really like get hairs. I'm not really sure. I don't know if I could really find a link for the wax pot that I have, because like I told y'all in the first video when I first got it, I had got it off of Facebook, Perfect Sculpt something, but you know, I could put something similar that I found on Amazon. And yeah, but if you made it to the end of this video, thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. You can share with your friends if you want to share with your friends, but make sure you save your coins instead of waxing your underarms. And yeah, if you don't know, we don't shave around here. Waxing is better than shaving, so you better get in tune. Okay.